Actually make the rifle model and also the carbine. They make them in the 22 long rifle, which will shoot 22 long rifle, 22 short, and also 22 long, but they also make them in 22 Magnum. Now, what sets this rifle apart from the regular Frontier is when people usually buy a Frontier, they do two upgrades on it. One being the rear peep sight here, and this particular peep sight is made by Skinner, and they also opt to get the larger loop handle. What this will allow you to do is to get quicker target acquisition on the rear peep sight when you're going small game hunting. And in the winter time, if you're wearing gloves, the large loop handle really comes in handy. Let's talk about the rifle. The rifle has a 20-inch octagonal barrel, and of course the brass front bead sight, and of course I've already mentioned the Skinner sight. The rifle holds 16 rounds, and let's put a few rounds on target. She's a pretty good shooter. Now, let's talk about the carbine a little bit. The carbine has a 12-round magazine compared to the rifle, which has a 16-round magazine. And the barrel on the carbine is 16¼ inches long compared to the 20-inch barrel that's on the rifle. Now, you're going to trade off a little bit of ammo going from the rifle to the carbine, but it's well worth it if you're hunting in a lot of tight spots, such as thickets and in the woods. It makes the rifle much more maneuverable when you're out hunting. So let's do a few shots downrange with it. It's also a very good shooter, just like the rifle. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below or go over to the Henry Facebook page and ask them there. And just remember, if it's not made in the US of A.
Rimfire Big Brothers. This is a bronze Cerakote, including a muzzle brake, and a hydro-dipped stock in Go Wild IM Brush camouflage. This is chambered in 17 HMR, 22 WMR, and of course 22 long rifle, all feeding from the appropriate Ruger rotary magazines. Topped with true Picatinny scope base, and includes the length of pull, short, standard, high and low comb stock options. The entire barreled action and bolt knob are all covered in burnt bronze Cerakote, good corrosion resistance.